Well, I'm here at the ChyronHego stand here at NAB 2015. This is the second of two videos that we're doing here this year at NAB. I've got Joey with me. Hi, Joey.
Hi.
Now, Joey, we're talking about a brand new product that's launched here, which is MediaMaker, Studio MediaMaker. Tell us about it.
Studio MediaMaker was designed to do a complete newscast with one person, with graphic assets, with rundowns, with text, having access to a teleprompter, having access to a remote PTZ camera, being able to do a complete news production with one person.
Brilliant. Well, give us a rough idea of how this works.
Well, a rough idea of how it works is everybody has their own particular profile, which can be the speed of the teleprompter, DMX lighting controls, MIDI audio controls, all that sort of preference material, as well as being able to go in and upload assets into a mini asset manager, graphic assets for images and or clip-based material, and then being able to take that content and writing a complete story rundown, much like you would in an ordinary newsroom environment.
And obviously we're seeing this on a web-based interface here.
It is absolutely a web-based interface. It's running on HTML5, which means in a networked environment you can actually have two people working on the same thing at once, uploading assets, all of that, and it's all web-based material. So what we're looking at here is an actual rundown. So we've structured it in such a way that there's an introduction, we've got an on-camera segment, we've got cues that we'll see on the teleprompter that tell us when to trigger specific items. And over here is all of our timing information, plus we see the content of our name supers, our locators, all of our graphic content in the templates. We have the ability to add in controls that will remotely trigger different moves for the cameras, different presets, as well as triggering graphics in at any time. And the ability to go in here and edit and pull in whatever graphic asset you want at that point. So we have our graphic assets for clips and videos. We also have our graphic assets, graphic types for our name supers and things. So we have full screen, for example. We've got a sample of a full screen, sample for lower third name supers, over-the-shoulder graphics, all done from one sort of user interface screen. So again, once you have all of that selected and planned, then we go in and run our program. So starting off with our clip, all we do is hit record, and then we have a little remote trigger, RF trigger, that we can sit there, so the anchor can very nicely go and say, hey, now it's my turn to be on camera. We hit record, we go through the process, and we have our teleprompter running and things like that.
Joey, looks like an amazing system. If people want to find out more about this system and they haven't been able to get to NAB, is there a website they can go to?
Absolutely. Go to ChyronHego.com and find the information on Studio MediaMaker.
Joey, thank you very much. Go and have a look at the website. Link is on screen now. Find out more information and probably be able to see demos and things of Studio MediaMaker. And if you need to contact them, you can find out the details on their website as well. Everything we're doing here at NAB, you'll find on our website, of course, which is KITPLUS.com.